Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to this group. Welcome to the family. Let's grow together. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave a comment for me, share my video, and like. Today I'm going to show you how I make this Nutrimilk amazing pop-up. It's so nice. Let's get started. Hey guys, so the first thing you're going to do, you're going to turn your flour into a clean bowl. Yeah, a clean bowl and all the flour. Now you're going to add in your sugar. You can decide to maybe add more, or you can decide to reduce depending on what you want. I prefer just this one. Okay, so at this point you're going to add in your yeast. Well, this is what I do. I really don't like much of all this chemical stuff in my food, so I decided to reduce my yeast. Most people use up to like 4 teaspoons for 500 grams of flour, but I try to use 2 teaspoons and 1/3. Okay, so I reduced it, and it was really hard for me to proof. Like, it didn't proof on time, like it didn't double on time. So that's what I'm trying to say, and it still did not double like very well. So take note. So once you add in the yeast, at this point you can decide to add in. I see people add egg into their their yeast, whatever, but I really don't like that. Okay, so at this point you're going to add in your flavor. That is, if you want, you can use any kind of flavor you want, but I just wanted that milk stuff in my in my puff puff. That's, I just like it. I don't know, you can use whatever works for you, or you can just keep it. Okay, at this point you're just going to take your spatula or your spoon, just going to mix together. All right, remember I said that in the bread class that it's not really good to add yeast and salt together. The salt is going to kill the yeast, so always separate them. So that is why I actually stirred my my ingredient together first before adding the salt. So okay, I added like 1/8 teaspoon of salt. So you're just gonna mix that together and make sure it's well incorporated. So this is my Nutrimilk. I just decided to use that. It came out really nice. Oh, you really need to try this. So you're going to add, and that can is actually 500 ml. Okay, so you're going to add bit by bit, and you're going to start stirring. Yeah, start stirring. Oh my god, you need to taste it. So you add, you stir, you add, you stir, till you add every single thing. Yeah, it didn't come out too soft, trust me. So you're going to add everything. You're going to stir. Okay, at this point I've not actually added everything, just doing it bit by bit. It's really for those who have never made a pot before, so just take it bit by bit, don't rush it. So at this point, it's coming together, so I try to add in the remaining one. So now you're going to just stir. Once you add in your remaining one, don't forget it's a Nutrimilk. Is Nutrimilk I bought and I used, and it's 500 ml. So I added every single thing into 500 grams of flour. So you're going to mix that together, like mix it very well to make sure there's no lumps in your in your work. Make sure it's smooth. It's smooth before you go to the next level. So while we're actually mixing, or while you're mixing, let me just tell you small gist about this puff. Hey, I've not really used Nutrimilk to actually make puff. I was just trying out like new recipe. I said, okay, let me just try. Initially I wanted to use yogurt, but it was Sunday shot and everyone was closed. Okay, let me just use what I have. So I decided to bring out my Nutrimilk. I said, okay, let me try it to her. But guess what? Hey, it was so tasty. Like it was really nice, and the amount of sugar I added was really okay with the Nutrimilk. Oh, I don't know, Shao, but you really need to test this. Like, you really need to make it. It's so easy to make and so simple. You don't have to break your bank to make this thing. You just do it on Sunday for any party, so you don't have to go buy somewhere else. You can actually buy, but see bro, you need to check this out. Like enough of that, let's just go straight to the other part of the the video. Okay, now you see, hey, it's getting ready. You see puff puff, oh, that's getting ready. Okay, at this point you have to cover with your clean film, like cover it very well before you add clothes on top. I see people just put clothes over it. I mean, it's not really hygienic and it's not good. Just take out clean film is just like 450 or so. Just take one part out, like the way you're seeing, just cover it. It's going to be so neat, and it will have time to proof very well. Then you can actually use cloth to cover the top of the cling film and put it in a warm place. I let it proof for like 1 hour. Shy. Remember I told you that I reduced my yeast, so I had to proof for more than 1 hour. But I like it. I don't want to. I want to leave her this. So, and trust me, let me just tell you this: there are puff puff you can actually make without yeast. I'm gonna do that very soon. But for now, let's just stick with what we have. And let me just show you how I made this yeast Nutrimilk. The next one is gonna be, without yeast. I'm gonna show you that, and it's very quick and easy. You don't even need to proof it. All right, guys. So this is it. Oh, you see how it is so nice. Hey, I can't wait to show you the rest thing. Oh, hey. Okay, guys. Don't forget proof for 45 to 1 hour. 1 hour is okay. Okay, guys, so this is it. So it has been rising and it has finished rising. Remember, I said I reduced the yeast, so that is why mine is not like over the the top. Okay, now let me show you how I fry my pop off to get that nice golden brown color. See, guys, I will shine a light to you. This place is very crucial. You have to be careful. So once you heat your oil up, as it's not too hot, just in between, so your work doesn't get burnt immediately. Yeah, you're just gonna start. There's a way there. These women who make amala. There's a way they use this. I don't know what they call it. Packed to pack the amala. So that when you're using your hand, you're going to use your hand to pack it. Then you're going to actually press it. It's going to come out from the down of your your palms, like it's pooping a hen. Once you use that method, it's going to come out really well. Like I always put my hands in oil first so that it comes out very nice and it doesn't stick to my hands. So guys, that's it. So some are really stubborn. No, once you put some inside, they will just start coming to the top. But some are very stubborn. I don't know what they're looking for. You have to beat them first. Just take spoon and just scrape it up, like push it up. It's gonna come up. See it coming up like this. So guys, let me tell you one secret of pop off. You want to know why some pop off is so very dark, why some is like light golden color, like so beautiful? Okay, take your chair, relax. Let me tell you. You see, when you're frying puff puff, don't let your puff puff get too fried, or how would I put it? Don't fry it too much when it's on the heat. Once you get a light golden color, just bring it down. Once you bring it down, when it start getting cold, like when it start to get cold, the color will start getting deeper. You understand? So if the color is already deep while on the fire, once it gets cold, it's going to be like brown color. You understand? But once it's light, like the way you're seeing now, you see when I will bring my own that it's still very light. Once you bring it down, it's going to retain that light golden color. Oh, it's going to be so beautiful. Hey, when you put it under the sun like this, or you edit it, hey. Like even without editing it, it's gonna be fine. Like there's some puff that is not really fine. You just sit and you just don't want to eat again. So please avoid that. So this is my own trick, and always make sure you stir. Once you put, always stir so that each side of the puff puff can actually get properly cooked. Yeah, should I say cook or fry? I don't know, fry anyone, but shall just turn it so that it's evenly, the heat is evenly distributed. Okay, please don't forget, don't go and start pressing for and leave what you're doing. I'm just teasing you, right? Okay, remember what I said. Once it's light golden color, very light golden color, just bring it. That is already, as I don't know, I don't just know how to express this to you. Like I use below medium heat to actually make my pop-off, so it gives me that time to actually make my pop-off cook very well inside and still retain that beautiful color. So always use that. I'm using gas or this, whatever you're using, try to reduce it so that it doesn't the oil is not too hot and your work will start getting dark and burnt. So guys, that's it. So try yours and let me know how it turned out. See, I really don't know. Just see beauty. This is what I'm talking about. Like it's hi, I don't know. It's so beautiful. Just follow my instruction and your work will come out really, really nice. People like, is you that did this one? Yes, it's you. So guys, bye. Love you.